Hey guys, Oppo's VP shared a new video regarding Oppo Find X2 series battery life. So according to him, Oppo Find X2 will get 7.9 hours of screen on time. That's much impressive than any other smartphone in the market. However, according to him, the new intelligent refresh rate mode can extend battery life by 10%. The phone will boost a SuperVOOC 2.0 which can charge the 4065 mAh battery at up to 65 volt, available with an 8GB of LPDDR4 RAM. Further, for camera, Oppo Find X2 sport a Sony IMX689 48MP primary sensor, a 12MP wide-angle sensor and a 13MP telephoto lens. For selfie, a 32MP Sony IMX616 sensor included. However, Oppo Find X2 Pro will feature 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a 4260 mAh battery. Moreover, Pro version also supports a Sony IMX689 48MP primary sensor, a 48MP wide-angle sensor and a 13MP telephoto with a periscopic sensor. The phone tipped to sport a 6.7-inch OLED screen with an AMOLED panel. It also supports a 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz sampling rate. Under the hood, the smartphone supports the latest flagship Snapdragon 865 processor. However, Oppo is set to launch a new smartwatch called Oppo Watch. It looks almost exactly like an Apple Watch. We can use the watch to receive calls. Both Oppo Watch and Oppo Find X2 series will launch on March 6th in Oppo event. So let me know your thoughts about the Oppo Find X2 in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Oppo phones, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Namaskar from hashtag.